Hey guys, welcome to Avery's Kitchen. My name is Avery and today I'm going to show you all how to make this delicious strawberry cobbler in the microwave. First, mix 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 a teaspoon of salt, and mix all of that together. And add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and mix all of that together. Next, take half a cup of strawberries and chop them up, and add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to them and mix. Next, mix both of the strawberries in the dough and put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. Take it out and enjoy. Please subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, and comment down below what you would like me to make next. Thanks for watching.